Let's ditch the forwarding address headaches and update your Revolut address in just a few taps. First, unlock your phone and tap the Revolut App icon to open the app. Once you're on the home screen, look for your profile icon, usually a circle with your initials or profile picture. It's typically located in the top left corner of the screen. Tap it. This takes you to your profile settings. Scroll down until you see Personal Details. Tap on Personal Details. Here, you'll see a list of your personal information, including your current address. Find the address field. It will display your current register address. Tap on it. This opens the Edit Address screen, where you can input your new address. Carefully enter your new street address, apartment number if applicable, city, state or region, and zip or postal code into the corresponding fields. Double-check that all the information is accurate. Once you're sure everything is correct, tap the Save or Update button, usually located at the bottom of the screen. And that's it. Your address on Revolut is now updated. You can verify the change by going back to the Personal Details screen and confirming that your new address is displayed. Keep your Revolut account up to date with these simple steps.